here. We're going to make latkes today. First, we're going to start out with some hash browns. These are already thawed out. All right, so I dumped the hash browns in the bowl. Then we're adding eggs. Hold the egg in your hand like this and then tap, tap, tap on the edge. And where the crack is, put your thumbs together. Put that down and then elbows up. All right, it's all mixed around, ready to fry. All right, I've got my pan heating up hot. You can see the steam coming off, so I'm going to add my oil to heat it up. The oil is ready for frying, so I'm going to take some potato, kind of make it into a patty, lay it in there. All right, I've got my applesauce and my sour cream. And here are the latkes. Yum, yum. Enjoy.